Adobe Creative Cloud plugins and integrations.
Hi, I'm a hobbyist photographer and a full-time PHP developer, and I want to introduce you to my plugin Custom Panel. You can create your own layouts using rows, columns, and tabs, add buttons, assign menu items, tools, action sets, adjustment layers, blend modes, and some more. Here you can see a really complex layout. It's just an example of what you can do with the plugin. It's fully responsive. You can attach to each side of the Photoshop. With the basic version, you get 3 panels. Each panel can have 3 spaces, and each space has its own layout. So here an example of tools assigned to the buttons, or Gaussian blur, for example, as a menu item, average blur. You can also assign adjustment layers, for example, levels. Let's resize a bit. Curves. Also, I have here some actions assigned, and I want to show you what happens if you run wood frame action, for example, in Photoshop itself. It creates some layers, and you can see the history state here. But let's undo to where we had some adjustments. And if you run now action from assigned button, you have everything the same, but it's only one history state. So this is useful. Everything is theme aware. You can switch themes only if you assign icon colors specifically. It won't change, but otherwise, if you use default colors, it will. So for example, this delete button has red color assign. We can change it to green. Also, tabs can have icons. For example, there are some layer actions also, which you can use. Navigation, if you would need it. You can collapse all, expand all groups. And let's say you have multiple layers selected. Photoshop won't allow you create any masks, but with the plugin, if you click, you can create masks, channel or vector. You can delete also, if you choose delete. Yeah, so basically that's about it. Plugin has much more. Please check all the tutorials on pscustompanel.com. Fill form there if you have any feedback or questions or suggestions, or leave a comment in the video on YouTube. I will try to do my best. As I mentioned, I have a full-time job and this is my side project, but will try my best. Thank you.